What's going on, guys? Oh my gosh, absolutely just crushed it again in the live trading environment. Ron, 2 days this week, Tuesday and Thursday. Tuesday ends up pulling out $375 per account. And then just this morning shoots me a screenshot of another $200. That's $575 per account. Just this week, done literally live right in front of you. I don't have a calculator on here, but let's just calculate this real quick. Pull up our handy dandy calculator. $575 times 5 accounts, $2,875. That's the performance just this week alone. Now, if I told you right now you could literally get on these calls for an entire month for 99 cents on me, would you do it? Well, what if I said this as well? I'm telling you right now is the best time, the absolute best time to get on with Take Profit because they're holding their largest sale they've ever done. Half off. 50% off every one of their accounts, no activation fee. You get the pro, there's no more fees there, and you just crush it and you were doing payouts every day. This is the education that I want you guys to have. So to do this, over here, Take Profit, My Future Success, go ahead and apply, 50% off everything. I need you guys and want you not only to be with Ron for an entire month, which this week alone netted over $2,000 with 5 accounts, get on free calls with myself. Please, if you're going to invest into yourself, let me invest back into you. I am the founder and owner of these metrics. I go live on a Zoom call every Wednesday. I was just on a call yesterday. We had over, I think it was 100 plus people active on that call. Next week is a trading competition. I give away free Take Profit accounts. If you think you have what it takes to take these metrics and for a half an hour compete against everyone else, and if you can get the highest amount of profit, the P&L, the highest, you're going to get a free 150K test account. And the one right below that, who comes in second place, will get a free 50K account on me giving back. Guys, I've given away thousands of dollars worth of Take Profit accounts, and I'm going to continue to do it because the education of that person who ends up making the most amount of money during that trading time has to show their screen afterwards to the entire team to show them how they were able to make those funds. So if you are someone who's struggling right now and you're like, I am not making money right now, I'm getting in, I'm getting stopped out, why not learn from other traders on what they're doing? Not only what I'm doing, but also what others are doing too. So can you follow Ron in a live trading environment? Yes, absolutely. Absolutely crushing it. Can you follow the videos that I'm doing here on YouTube? Yes, you can do that as well. Take a combination of all this together, put it in your arsenal, and absolutely just crush it for the rest of this year. I'm here for you guys. If you need anything, let me know. Ron, my man, 2 for 2 this week, making over $2,000 with 5 accounts. Keep it going. Guys, take care. Have a great Thursday. God bless.